What drives humanity to leave the comfort of Earth and step into the cold void of space? Is it curiosity, courage, or something deeper? An ancient longing to understand our place in the universe. This is the story of the greatest space explorers, the missions that defied gravity, the pioneers who risked everything, and the legacy they left written among the stars. From the first tentative steps into orbit, to the daring missions to the moon and beyond, we've pushed the boundaries of what's possible. We've sent robotic emissaries to distant planets, their cameras sending back postcards from alien worlds. We've built telescopes that can peer into the hearts of galaxies, revealing the secrets of the early universe. Join us now as we journey through the history of space exploration, a story of daring, ingenuity, and the unquenchable human thirst for discovery. Before diving into the journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting historical stories and explorations. Now, let's get started on the greatest journey beyond Earth. Long before rockets pierced the sky, humans looked up at the night sky and dreamed of touching the stars. The ancients saw patterns in the stars, constellations that became mythical beasts, gods, and heroes. They told stories about these celestial beings, stories that reflected their hopes and fears, their dreams and their place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. For millennia, space remained out of reach, a realm of myth and legend. But the human spirit, driven by an insatiable curiosity, yearned to understand these celestial wonders. The invention of the telescope brought the heavens closer, revealing details about the moon and planets never before seen. What was once the realm of the gods slowly transformed into a realm of scientific inquiry. Then, in the 20th century, the world was gripped by a different kind of race, a race for technological supremacy. The Cold War, with its tensions and anxieties, paradoxically fueled a period of unprecedented innovation in space exploration. It was in this crucible of competition that the dream of reaching for the stars finally took concrete form. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, a small metal sphere that sent shockwaves around the globe. The space age had begun. The United States, caught off guard by Sputnik's success, redoubled its efforts. NASA was formed, and the space race was on in earnest. Imagine the year is 1961. The world is on the brink of nuclear war, divided by ideology and suspicion. But on April 12th, a young man from a small village in Russia would briefly unite the planet in a moment of shared awe and wonder. His name was Yuri Gagarin. Gagarin was not born into privilege. He was a carpenter's son, a factory worker who dreamed of flying. He joined the Soviet Air Force, excelling as a pilot, and was ultimately chosen to be part of a select group training for a secret mission, to be the first human in space. On that April morning, Gagarin climbed aboard Vostok 1, a tiny capsule perched atop a rocket filled with volatile fuel. The world held its breath as the countdown echoed, "Poyekali, let's go!" With a roar that shook the ground, Gagarin was launched into the unknown. He ascended through the Earth's atmosphere, the sky turning from blue to black as he hurtled towards the void. For 108 minutes, Yuri Gagarin, this humble man from a small village, became the first human to orbit the Earth. He witnessed the curvature of our planet, the thin blue line of the atmosphere that protects us. He saw the continents spread out below, a tapestry of land and water, and marveled at the beauty of our home in the cosmos. If Sputnik marked the start of the space race, then the moon became its ultimate prize. The United States, fueled by President John F. Kennedy's bold challenge to land a man on the moon before the end of the decade, poured resources and manpower into Project Apollo. It was a time of incredible innovation and risk. Engineers worked tirelessly to design and build the most powerful rockets ever conceived, rockets capable of breaking free from Earth's gravitational grip and sending humans on a 250,000-mile journey to another world. The world watched, captivated, as mission after mission brought NASA closer to its goal. There were setbacks, tragedies, and moments of doubt, but the dream of reaching the moon, a dream shared by humanity for millennia, spurred them on. On July 20th, 1969, that dream became a reality. Apollo 11, carrying astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, entered lunar orbit. The world held its breath as Armstrong and Aldrin boarded the lunar module, christened Eagle, and began their descent to the surface. "The Eagle has landed," Armstrong announced, his voice a calm whisper amidst the tension. And then those immortal words that echoed across the globe. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." For the first time in history, human beings walked on another world. They planted the American flag, a symbol of national pride, but their achievement transcended national boundaries. The quest to explore the cosmos is not without its risks. The vastness of space is unforgiving, and the pursuit of knowledge often comes at a steep price. This was a lesson tragically learned on January 28, 1986, when the Space Shuttle Challenger exploded just 73 seconds after liftoff. The world watched in horror as the spacecraft carrying 7 astronauts, including schoolteacher Krista McAuliffe, disintegrated in a fiery plume of smoke and debris. The tragedy sent shockwaves across the globe, a stark reminder of the inherent dangers of space travel. Among the fallen were men and women who embodied the spirit of exploration. Francis Scobie, Michael Smith, Judith Resnick, Ellison Onizuka, Ronald McNair, Gregory Jarvis, and Krista McAuliffe. Their mission, to further our understanding of the universe, ended in unimaginable loss. In the aftermath of the Challenger disaster, the space program was grounded as NASA and the nation grappled with the question: was the pursuit of knowledge worth the risk of human life? Beyond the moon, Mars, rovers, and the next frontier. With the moon conquered, a new target beckoned on the horizon: Mars, the red planet. A world of rusty deserts, towering volcanoes, and tantalizing hints of a watery past. Mars, with its potential for harboring life, became the next great challenge for space explorers. But reaching Mars, a journey hundreds of times farther than the moon, presented a whole new set of challenges. Instead of sending humans, scientists turned to robotic explorers, pioneers without a heartbeat but with an insatiable appetite for data. In 1997, the Sojourner rover, a small, 6-wheeled explorer, captured the world's imagination as it trundled across the Martian surface, sending back images of a world both alien and strangely familiar. It was followed by Spirit and Opportunity, twin rovers that landed on opposite sides of the planet, their mission to search for signs of past water. Spirit and Opportunity, designed to last just 90 Martian days, defied all expectations, exploring for years, climbing mountains, and uncovering evidence that Mars was once a much warmer and wetter place, perhaps even capable of supporting life. Their discoveries fueled the dream of one day sending humans to Mars. Curiosity, a car-sized rover with a suite of sophisticated instruments, landed on Mars in 2012, its mission to determine if the planet ever had the conditions necessary to support microbial life. The International Space Station, Unity in orbit. High above the Earth, a shining testament to international cooperation orbits our planet. The International Space Station, a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we set aside our differences and work together towards a common goal. This orbiting laboratory, a marvel of engineering and collaboration, is the result of a partnership between the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. It is a place where astronauts from different cultures and backgrounds live and work together, conducting experiments, making observations, and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The ISS is a testament to the power of collaboration, a symbol of unity in a world often divided. It is a reminder that we are all citizens of Earth, sharing this fragile planet and the responsibility for its care. Since its launch in 1998, the ISS has hosted over 250 astronauts from 19 countries, conducting thousands of experiments in a variety of fields, including biology, physics, medicine, and materials science. The future, to the stars and beyond. We stand at the dawn of a new era in space exploration, an era driven not just by government agencies, but by private companies, fueled by innovation and the entrepreneurial spirit. Reusable rockets, developed by companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, are making space travel more affordable and accessible. opening up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. The dream of returning to the moon, this time to stay, is no longer a distant fantasy. NASA's Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable presence on the lunar surface, building a base camp that will serve as a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. Imagine a future where humans live and work on the moon, conducting research, mining resources, and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. Space tourism, once the realm of science fiction, is now a reality. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are offering suborbital flights, giving paying customers a taste of weightlessness and a glimpse of the curvature of our planet. While still in its infancy, space tourism has the potential to democratize access to space, making it possible for more people to experience the awe and wonder of space travel. Looking further out, the possibilities are truly limitless. Missions to Jupiter's moon Europa, with its subsurface ocean that may harbor life, are being planned. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, are peering back in time, capturing light that has traveled for billions of years, revealing the secrets of the early universe and searching for signs of life on distant planets. The journey continues. Space isn't just a place. It's a mirror that reflects our courage, our curiosity, and our endless hunger to know more. We explore the stars not because it's easy, but because it's who we are. We are explorers, dreamers, stargazers. We are the inheritors of a legacy that stretches back to the first humans who looked up at the night sky and wondered what lay beyond. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us grow and bring you more videos that you'll love.